Instagram Lite has been released in some regions of the world. So today in this video, let's see how to get your early hands on them and let's talk more about it. Without any further ado, let's roll that intro. It's your usual Instagram APK, but it is more such of like a web app. Everything loads from a web app like. The Instagram camera is not available now, so you should snap from your phone's camera or a third-party camera and import it to Instagram. And another major bug is, or to be updated, is you can't update status in the Instagram Lite. Speaking of Instagram, make sure to visit my page. I put cool stuff right here, as you can see. So kudos, check it out and follow me. That's going to be awesome. There's more collection like this. So on the top left corner you got the usual settings, and that wraps up for this video, guys. I have used this for a week and this APK file just enlarged up to 2 MB only. So you are a very light user, your phone is storage sensitive, it works. Just go to apkpure.com. the link is in the description box below. So no worries, go to the description and search for Instagram Lite and you go the APK downloader. It's as simple. I would have given the APK that link, but it will not get the updated one, so you can get frequent updates from the link. So install the APK. It's less than 1 MB, 537 KB only. That's it for this video, guys. Please make sure to hit that like button if you like this video, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you support the channel. That's it. Let's wrap this video up.